At the moment, building code focuses on minimizing discomfort, even if that means an excessive use of energy and resources. But we never really ask the question of how much comfort we really need. Because comfort doesn't necessarily equal health. Comfort is more of a short-term perception. Health is really the long-term outcome.
Research suggests that being exposed to a constant, comfortable thermal range actually lowers your metabolic resistance and increases the chances of diabetes or cardiovascular diseases. On the other hand, exposure to a dynamic environment with cooler and warmer periods is just another form of exercising. It makes your cardiovascular system stronger, helps with your body's insulin sensitivity, and lowers your chances of obesity. But of course, we have to understand what conditions are healthy while still being acceptable. And for that, we need lots of data.
This is why at the SenseLab, we focus on the physiological data. SenseLab is a climate chamber where we can simulate different types of thermal environments. Our experiments span over the entire workday to observe the time factor and natural changes in the human body throughout the day. We record climate, behavior, and physiological data simultaneously.
All the experiments that we conduct in the SenseLab create a very large data set that correlates to human physiology and the indoor climate. Such holistic, health-oriented data sets do not exist at a global scale at the moment. Our current mission is to turn our project into a global network.
Of course, shifting our focus from comfort to health isn't only good for the human body, but it's also good for the environment. The International Energy Agency warns that within the next 3 decades, ACs will become a major player in our global electricity demand. We believe and already see that the human body needs to be exposed to a thermal variety. This means that we can and should reevaluate our set point temperature, our comfort bands, and altogether how we design and operate our buildings.